this video, we will show you how to using and install SEO Checker for Windows. SEO Checker is software that can identifying how SEO your website. First, you need to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows 10 protection if you are using Windows 10. After that, you can download SEO Checker. We put link in the description. After you download, you can right click and choose extract here. And to install, you can just double click in SEO Checker. And then you can click next. And choose install like this. And you can click finish. Now you can open the SEO Checker. For example, in here, we need to identifying www.nasura.com for SEO. And you can click check in here. With this SEO Checker software, you can make SEO audit on your website. You can find internal and external links. Then you can also find H1 tags and H2 tags. And the SEO Checker software is showing also how slow your website when accessed. With this information, of course, you can increase your website quality by checking the broken links. And of course, you can make improvement on your websites, like checking the broken link, improve the website speed, and also find something wrong with H1 text, H2 text, and the description also. This website SEO Checker is use internet connection. You can install it on Windows and download via the link that we put link into description. That's all.